Number 1. 1951 Chevrolet Fleetline Fastback, $2,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1951 Chevrolet Fleetline Fastback presents as a good condition driver with its 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Recently rebuilt, the motor runs and drives well. The car wears red paint and holds a clean title, though the odometer is broken. These sleek fastbacks from the early 1950s are sought after for their distinctive roofline and curvy fenders. At this price, it offers an affordable entry into the world of post-war Chevrolet classics. Number 2. 1948 Crosley Sedan, $2,950, Los Alamitos, California. This 1948 Crosley two-door sedan is a rare barn find from an estate sale. It is rust-free and accident-free, featuring a running 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, heater, and radio. Although the title is missing, a deposit has been made with the Department of Motor Vehicles to replace it. Crosley cars are highly collectible for their compact size and quirky engineering, and this example is ready for recommissioning. Number 3. 1972 Ford Pinto, $4,000, Pomona, California. This 1972 Ford Pinto shows just 43,000 original miles and remains completely rust-free. Powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it comes with extensive extra parts, including a 5-speed gearbox and long-tube header. It last ran 2 years ago and now needs a tune-up and new battery. With its clean title and solid condition, this early Pinto is an ideal light restoration project. Number 4. 1946 Cadillac Sedan, $3,500, Everett, Washington. A 1946 Cadillac Series 62 sedan project with its numbers-matching 8-cylinder drivetrain rebuilt and running. The car includes new exhaust and brakes, plus professionally installed power steering and brakes. It has been refinished and undercoated with no rust, but needs an interior and most of its side glass. With a clean title and delivery available, this Cadillac offers strong potential for completion as a luxury post-war cruiser. Number 5. 1954 Chevrolet two-door post, $4,950, Campverde, Arizona. This all-original 1954 Chevrolet two-door post sedan features a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission. A New Mexico car with minimal rust, nice patina, and original wheels, it is complete with all parts intact. With its black paint and clean title, this car is an honest, unmolested survivor, ideal for restoration or preservation. Number 6. 1962 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,300, Wilsall, Montana. This 1962 Volkswagen Beetle, titled as a 1963 model, is a true survivor. The 4-cylinder engine is blown, but the sale includes another 1,200 cubic centimeter replacement motor. Already converted to a 12-volt system, it comes with a clean title, a nice interior, and extras like an Alpine stereo and kicker subwoofers. It's a solid project for a Volkswagen enthusiast. Number 7. 1972 Jeep Wagoneer, $3,500, New Mexico. This 1972 Jeep Wagoneer 4-wheel drive, located near Albuquerque, is powered by a 360 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine that runs well after sitting for years. The automatic transmission works, though the exhaust needs attention. With a clear New Mexico title and matching identification tag, it offers an affordable way into early American sport utility ownership. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino, $10,000, San Bruno, California. This 1978 Chevrolet El Camino shows 143,000 original miles and has had over $3,000 in maintenance within the past year. It retains its stock 8-cylinder engine and smog equipment, recently passing inspection. The body is straight, the wheels are new, and registration is valid through November 2025. A clean title and strong presentation make this El Camino a reliable and stylish classic truck car hybrid. Number 9. 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car, $6,000, Centennial, Colorado. This 1978 Lincoln Continental Town Car has 66,000 miles and is described as super clean. It features an 8-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and full power accessories including seats, locks, and cruise control. Minor flaws include a cracked windshield, old tires, and a cut dashboard for an aftermarket stereo. With a clean title, this imposing luxury sedan remains an eye-catching example of late 1970s American opulence. Number 10. 1973 Lincoln Mark IV, $8,800, Dallas, Texas. This hot rod Lincoln Mark IV features a 460 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with headers, high-energy ignition, and a Holley double-pumper carburetor. Finished in Aztec gold with a straight body, it also includes 17-inch Craigar wheels and cold air conditioning. Minor rust exists under the vinyl top and lower driver's door. With a clean title, it is a striking example of early 1970s personal luxury performance. Number 11. 1968 Dodge Dart GT, $6,500, North Hollywood, California. This 1968 Dodge Dart GT is a one-owner car featuring the original slant-six engine and automatic transmission. With 66,000 miles, current registration, and a clean title, it remains in good condition aside from minor door damage. The paint shows its age, but the car runs and drives well, making it a dependable and affordable entry into classic Mopar ownership. Number 12. 1968 Ford Galaxie GT, $6,500, Maypearl, Texas. This very rare 1968 Ford Galaxie XL GT edition is all original with a 390 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine, bucket seats, console shifter, and factory tachometer. It retains its original white paint and clean Arizona title. The automatic transmission needs rebuilding, and the fuel tank requires replacement. Once sorted, it would stand out as a genuine and uncommon full-size Ford performance model. Number 13. 1955 Buick Century, $9,000, Mead, Washington. This 1955 Buick Series 60 Century Riviera represents the first year of the four-door hardtop design. Powered by the original 322 cubic inch nailhead 8-cylinder engine, and Dynaflow automatic transmission. It includes factory power steering and brakes. With a clean title, black paint, and 62,000 miles, it is an excellent example of mid-1950s Buick style and engineering.